Nagpapakitang gilas tong si Toy Bits ha. As of this recording, mga titos and titas, makikita ninyo, Bitcoin is trading at 71,560 level. Wow! Okay, sa 4-hour time frame, ang highest na na-attain natin na closure is 71,492 or sabi mo na 71,500 na closing. Pero nagkaroon tayo ng needle top na 72,300. This was last February 9. Alright? So uulitin kaya natin yan or kaya nating mag-close above 73,000 na or babalik pa rin tayo dito. No? So nasa resistance level po to on a technical perspective kung makikita ninyo. So crucial yung closing nitong current 4-hour candle na to. Kailangan nito ay bumasag at mag-close above 71,500 and then yung next candle, long green dapat tayo, confirmation ha. Alright. If you're using our TPI trading system, kung makikita ninyo, yung general trend niya, red cloud pa rin, so downtrend, and then yung immediate trend, ito po, is sideways, no? Sideways. Now it's rallying. Sa TPI natin, nag-aantay tayo ng red dot and long red candle. Kaya hindi tayo basta-basta pumapasok porkit nasa resistance, papasukan mo ng short. No? So wala pa po siyang red dot. Hindi pa tayo nakakita ng red dot. So, TPI traders may be waiting for that red dot and long red candle to have a SOR or sell on rally setup or opportunity. So, antay-antay lang. Baka in the next few 4 hours, baka po magbigay ito ng SOR or sell on rally opportunity. So, kung meron po kayo ng TPI, abang-abang lang.